Previously on DrakeParagon.
Did you think for a second that I might actually have gone over?
Yeah, you weren't in the cabin.
That's seal?
How do you like your poutine?
Do people eat seal in Canada?
Oh gosh, yes.
I really do feel like Alice in Wonderland. There's street musicians everywhere. This is really not what I was expecting.
Sneaky customs, eh?
Don't let go, Jack.
Just really gotta be careful not to lose these. Right over here, this boat, it's an OVNI, a Union Hall boat, with many people aboard. They are pushing off momentarily to south of France, some over 2,000 nautical miles away from here. They say they hope to make it in 15 days. Today is day 2 in St. John's Harbor. Headed to France, over 2,000 nautical miles away. I see 4 on deck. Have you ever seen those OVNI sailboats? I think it might have 2 rudders, one on each side, but I'm not 100% sure on that. How'd you sleep?
Oh, I slept great. I feel like a new man.
You look like a new man.
Yeah, I think you do too.
God, I sleep hard.
Yeah.
As soon as my head hit the pillow, I was out.
I wrote my journal, and then I had looked through some of the photos of the whole trip. And I
Yeah.
was like, yeah, that was a good trip. And then I tried to read for a tiny little bit. Wasn't happening. I was just like, you know what, Anu? You're tired, just go to sleep. Welcome to the Twilight Zone.
Yeah, I thought that was very interesting that we were listening to a Twilight Zone about this ghost submarine while in fog-infested waters off the coast of Newfoundland. Can waters be infested with the fog?
I suppose they can.
May the force be with you.
As high as you can.
Mast high?
Like anywhere up there that it'll reach and can be kind of vertical.
I heard a nickel for every time I heard that.
Give you some tape if you want.
Side thrusters engaged.
Yeah, no kidding, huh?
Wow. That's freaky looking.
It is. He's moving out sideways. Big radars.
Do we have radar or anything?
This is bigger than ours.
Maersk dispatcher. That thing probably burns more fuel just getting out of the harbor than we do in the entire voyage here from Nova Scotia.
So they've got all of their very, very bright lights on. How do they keep those on even during the day?
Because they can.
But you're taking the water filter out.
Yeah, I'm taking the bowl off.
Okay.
I drained what water there was from the bottom of the bowl, but then there's all this sludge in the bowl. trying to take the bowl off so that I can clean the inside of it with a rag, and it's a real pain in the ass. Come on. I just really gotta be careful not to lose these. Bolts. That was a wrench. Okay, here's the bolt. Okay. And that's it.
Hello.
Yummy!
Diesel scum.
Back in dinner. Okay. I've actually never done this before. After 25 years, just about everything kind of starts to break. All the West cells are older than that. Yeah, Mo's really susceptible to getting sick from diesel fumes. I'm just glad I'm not. I'm so used to it by now. That's certainly a lot better than it was before. I love these little wooden poker things for shish kebab or skewers or whatever.
Or cleaning engines.
I use them all the time for cleaning nooks and crannies of whatever. I don't want to have any engine problems going to Greenland, or, you know, motoring through the fjords of Greenland. Is not the time to have an engine breakdown. I'm looking at this bowl for weeks now and going, I should clean that. Racor filter. There on Paragon to prime the filter bowl and also to bleed the engine. I have this electric pump right here. Close the Racor filter and bowl, and then there'll be a vacuum which should suck the fuel into the bowl. That's what
I was just thinking, then it's a closed system.
it's sucking the fuel through the filter into the bowl. That fuel looks very clean. We may have to re-bleed the engine. Right now it's filling up this filter. There we go. And then when you got a steady stream without bubbles coming out of that, close it. And then we'll fill the next one. Yeah, it's already full. Wonderful. Okay. Cool. Now we're good to go again. And this fuel I will actually just pour back into the deck fill.
Yep.
Because it's clean. Woo! Yay!
You rode it!
I was checking this out here.
Canadian warship in port.
Drake. It's called Cody.
His fingers must be so cold now.
Wow, in Boston it must be really hot. In North Carolina, even hotter.
105 in Houston.
Really? Okay, here. Brr.
We're like hitting Canada at all the best times. We've got like St. John's Day and Canada Day.
I think that means groundwater.
It means what?
Groundwater.
Groundwater.
Ishka is like water, so age. I could be wrong.
A lot of Irish pubs here too.
It's gonna be busy!
We get the first round.
In my memory, I will always sing of love so young, when our hearts still play ball by the shirt factory wall, and we laugh till the storm
I saw you last night, like,
There's a band playing upstairs at the Rocket. Should we get some poutine? I've not had one yet. French fries.
short gravy and cheese.
What is this place? What is food?
Everything on French fries.
I've been a lot of people come here after the bars close.
I went till 4 in the morning.
Really? The traditional poutine, huh? This is the perfect thing after a night of drinking at the bars on Water Street.
I love zombie.
So you really think you want to come back here and live here for a while? You were saying maybe a season, maybe longer?
Come back here for a few months. But definitely, I can see myself staying here for at least 3 months.
At least 3 months. Doing what?
Singing in the bars in the night time.
Wow.
Or working in like the outdoor store and seeing what courses the local university has, doing some light courses. Or even just doing like a part-time course there. And then working in the shop to
Yeah.
just pay rent and
Yeah.
then just stay here for a while.
You have fallen in love with St. John's,
The
Newfoundland.
fact that I've, there's been a few women who've been like, hey!
More than a few, actually. Yeah, well, there's certainly a lot of artsy, cool people. I bet you could get a nice apartment, a roommate situation maybe. That sports store would be ideal. I thought this place was going to be nothing but farms and sheep.
Yeah. This place is not farms and sheep.
Not at all.
This place is happening. It's hard to get water for a yacht and some diesel for
Well, maybe we just haven't got it all figured out yet. I think $50 to fill up your tanks, no matter how much water you take, is pretty high. Yeah, but it's only $230 for the slip for a month.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fabulous. How are you?
What's plan C? It's been quite an evening. We are home after a night of drinking on Water Street in St. John's, capping off the evening with gravy cheese poutine. Home sweet home.
Yeah, it would be great, you think?
last chance. You can have your own bowl. Want to try some?
I don't want any. I don't want it. But thank you.
Alright, we all ready for the movie?
Yes. Yes.
Work your way through the theater.